We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, child safety locks, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.